You've explored a lot about land habitats. Now, choose a path to find out more. Meet Dr. Emilio Bruna. Dr. Bruna is an ecologist. That's a scientist who studies how plants, animals, and people interact in an environment. Choose the pictures to find out more about Dr. Bruna's work. Dr. Bruna travels to Brazil to study the Amazon rainforest. He makes observations to find out how people cause changes to the rainforest. He also wants to find out how these changes affect the plants and animals that live there. Dr. Bruna's work includes studying how insects and other animals help plants. He also studies how seeds grow in rainforests, where lots of trees have been cut down, and in rainforests that haven't been cut. In his lab, Dr. Bruna uses a microscope to observe samples of plants and animals that he collected in the rainforest. A microscope helps him get a close-up look at insects, seeds, and other samples to find out more about them. What questions do you have? How can people cause changes to land habitats? Choose each picture to find out more. People cut down forests to build highways or for farmland to grow crops. These changes are called deforestation. What do you think happens to the plants and animals that once lived there? Sometimes people cut through a forest to build a road, but they worry about the animals that live in the forest that could be hurt or killed if they try to cross the road. In some places, people have found a solution. They build land bridges over the roads. The land bridges give animals a safe place to cross. Bats are important to our environment. They eat harmful insects. They help move pollen from one flower to another so that flowers can produce fruit. But bats are in danger. Many of their habitats have been destroyed. They don't have safe places to roost or rest during the day. Some people try to help. They build bat houses for the bats. People make a lot of garbage. Even when we recycle, a lot of garbage still ends up in landfills, like this one. But it's not just landfills that are a problem. Littering also causes land pollution. Not only does land pollution look terrible, it can also be harmful to animals. What can you do? There are many habitats found in rainforests, forests, and savannas. Think some more about why plants and animals live in certain land habitats. Play the videos about the land habitats again.
A rainforest is warm and rainy all year long. Plants and animals live in the canopy or treetops, in the understory or in the lower branches. There are even more habitats on the rainforest
floor.
A forest can be rainy in the spring, hot in the summer, cool in the fall, and cold and snowy in the winter. Habitats can be found on the forest floor and in the trees. A savanna is covered with tall grasses and only a few trees. In fact, the word savanna means grassland. The savanna has a dry season and a rainy season, but it is warm all year. There are habitats on the ground,
In the grass and in the trees. Continue on in your lesson check after this video to answer the questions as best you can.